Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some amazing pergola design ideas for your backyard, balcony, and even rooftop spaces. Whether you're looking for something simple and cost-effective, or a more advanced smart pergola, I've got plenty of inspiration for you. Let's start with the classic backyard pergola. These are perfect for adding structure and shade to your garden, creating a cozy outdoor space for relaxing or entertaining. If you're into DIY projects, a DIY bamboo pergola is a beautiful, eco-friendly option that can really transform your yard. For a more rustic look, a wooden or rustic pergola can bring that charming, natural feel to your space. Now, if you're working with smaller spaces like a balcony or terrace, don't worry. There are plenty of balcony and rooftop pergola designs that can create a lovely outdoor retreat, even in tight spaces. Consider using a retractable canopy for flexibility. Perfect for when you want shade or enjoy some sunshine. And if you need protection from the rain, a waterproof cover is an excellent addition to keep your outdoor space usable year-round. For those of you in India or warmer climates, rooftop pergolas are becoming super popular. They not only provide shade but also make your terrace a beautiful spot for hanging out. And if you need to make the most of your space, pergolas with car parking functionality can double up for practical uses. Finally, if you're wondering about the difference between a pergola and a gazebo typically has a full roof for more shelter, while a pergola is more open and airy, making it perfect for outdoor spaces where you want a mix of sun and shade. So whether you're dreaming of a relaxing garden pergola or a modern rooftop design, I hope these ideas inspire your next project. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor living tips.